So today we're going to talk about the scientific method. So we're going to figure out the steps that scientists use each day because again, we know as students using science that scientists use different methods to try to figure things out because they want to know the answer and how do they figure out those things, okay? So we're going to talk about the scientific method. So the scientific method, you guys, is a process that scientists use to try and solve problems. So they're going to sit back and think, what do I need to do? Why is this doing this? Why is, for example, we're going to talk about how is a pencil made and how does that lead get in the center, okay? So there's a series of steps that scientists work through that help them find answers to the questions that they have. So here you can see the steps of the scientific method. Step 1, ask a question. Okay, like we just said, how did the lead get into that pencil? That's our first question that we're going to talk about today. Then you're going to research it. You're going to hypothesize, do an experiment, analyze, and come to your conclusion. So we're going to talk about what each of those steps look like, okay? So starting with step 1, you're going to ask a question. So scientists make observations and develop questions that they can test using that scientific method. So today I'm asking you the question, how is that pencil made? How is a pencil made? So if I'm looking at this pencil right here, I'm asking you, how is it made? How did that lead get in here? How is that eraser there? That's what I want you to find out for me today. Can you tell me? So that's what I'm asking you today to do for me. It says we're working on the scientific method. Step 1 says that scientists make observations and develop questions. So here we are looking at a pencil, and I wondered, how did they get that lead inside that pencil? And every time we sharpen it, that lead continues to get stronger. How did that happen? What do you think? How do you think that a pencil is made? So I want you to go ahead and type your prediction in the space below. You will find this assignment in your Google Classroom. I want you to go through, type that space. Tell me how you think. How do you think that pencil was made? And that's what you're going to answer for today. Tomorrow, we will talk about the next steps in the scientific method.